Hi, today we have to create a function set alarm, and this should return true if you are employed and not on vacation. And in all the other circumstances, we don't need to set an alarm because we can sleep in, right? How can we go about this? Well, first of all, we are working with Boolean values. So let's print employed. We are employed, so we can use conditions for this. For example, if we are employed and this Boolean value equals true, and vacation similarly equals false, then we can return true. We have to set our alarm, and else, in all the other cases, we can return false. There we go. But what we also can do is the following. Let's say that we just return the statement employed. It's true. But if we return not employed, it will return false because the value is actually true. And with this knowledge, we can do the following. So when employed returns true and vacation equals false, then it should return true. We have to set our alarm true. And this will work as well. Let's grab this and test it out. And there we go. Hope this has been useful and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.